Are you wondering where is DEX located? On the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So previously on the One UI 7, basically if you went in the connected devices, you could see the DEX over here. But actually they have completely redesigned the DEX basically on these new tablets, essentially the new One UI 8. So if you want to launch the DEX, there are two different ways. First, you can simply like swipe down, and in this quick menu, you see you have this DEX option over here. You can launch it and basically it opens up the desktop view. Also, obviously, you can easily connect like an external monitor, mouse and keyboard. So again, for much better experience, obviously. But you can also use it basically, yeah, on the tablet as well, so without connecting anything, which is absolutely awesome. Yeah, as you see, for example, you can literally open up something basically, and basically like I see it goes essentially like full screen. If you swipe up, you can also like get the taskbar here, and also you can like okay, so what's up? Okay, yep, so you see you can also like drag and drop here as well. Also resize these windows very easily here, just to whatever you need, and also use like two different things at the same time. So again, obviously if you connect monitor, it will feel like Windows. And then there is a second way how to essentially launch it. All you really do is, so let's maybe exit this DEX mode. So you see, once I close it, everything closes. So essentially, for example, if you open a website, so you see you have this like line on the top now. If you like simply like drag down a bit, it also like engages this DEX mode automatically. So again, simply drag basically from that line. That is probably the easiest option. Also, you have like different. So if you click, basically, if you have this like button navigation, if you click this here, you can also like set up different desktops here as well. So you see, for example, I have the desktop, okay, number 2 over here. Also, I can add multiple different ones. So if you want to add like another desktop, like a workspace, so you can click this over here, and then you can essentially like do some other thing basically over here, for example. So I would open this. So again, if you obviously connect like a mouse and a keyboard, you can easily switch between the different windows. Or again, so if you use it without anything, so you see again, click this, literally you can switch between the different workspaces here as well. Yep, okay, good luck.